I recently got a question from someone who streams video games about what music they can use in their streams and what they can't. This question has an easy and a complicated answer. Let's start with the easy one. Unfortunately, the short answer is no. You can't use music in your streams without a license. You gotta have permission from the owner of the musical composition of the work and the owner of the sound recording of the song. Sometimes it's all the same person, sometimes it's different entities like a publishing company and a record label, but since you're pairing music with an audiovisual work, your stream, you gotta have a license, and I wouldn't recommend relying on fair use as a justification here. The long answer is you may or may not face consequences if you do use music in your streams without permission. First, some copyright owners just choose not to enforce their music that heavily on streaming services. While not granting licenses, they just choose not to enforce because going after people takes time and money, and it may or may not be worth that. Other times, the algorithms policing all of these streams don't pick up on the music in the background. Maybe there's so much noise going on in the stream that the algorithm doesn't notice that a copyrighted song is being played. However, just because you can get away with using a song in a stream doesn't mean you're not potentially violating copyright law, and it doesn't mean you're off the hook. If you want to be safe, only use music that the copyright owner has pre-authorized for use in streams. I'm an entertainment attorney. On this channel, I talk about legal issues that artists, athletes, and creators face in the entertainment world. If you want to hear more about that, follow along.